Hello and welcome to Hello, I am Clutch. Today we are in Cannery Row in Monterey, California to go on, as you can see over my shoulder, Treasure Hunt the Ride. This opened in 2023 and it's made by Sally Dark Rides in collaboration with, I believe, a woodworking company that I can't remember the name of right now. If I can get it on the screen, I will get it on the screen. But I'm very excited about this. This is a shooting dark ride that has more than just a ride to it. It's a one-off, just not in a theme park or anything. And it has apparently a kind of introductory sort of story show, and then a pre-show to the actual ride, and then the ride itself, and then apparently some other little surprises along the way. And I'm going to take you along as much as I can for this. I don't know how much we can or cannot film, but I'm going to show you as much as I can. So I'm very excited about this. Ever since I heard about this a couple of years ago, I've been wanting to get here and finally have gotten here. So let's go hunt for some treasure. All right, we're gonna walk in now from the main side. Now there's a whole bunch of other things in this area. There's a whole bunch of fun stuff, and you can see right away, we got a fun pirate animatronic. Arg, gargy, gargy, gargy. So at the front of the ride, they have this fun little kind of explanation of what this all is, some of the history of it. Tells you how it's a 20-minute adventure, gives you some fun video, but something I appreciate, gives you a top-down view of the whole ride. So you can see that you come down the stairs, you go through a fun little preview here, you then get to watch a pre-show, and then you go through the whole ride, which is all of this. Woo! Woo! So you can spoil yourself before you even go on. It's great. Alright, so tickets were basically 20 bucks, but for $5 extra you can ride all day. And for $5 on top of that, you get a bonus token that shows you more. Before or after your ride, they have a very fun photo opportunity with a kraken, where you can just stand in different positions and get yourself all tangled in a mess. Love it. Now this was such a good ride, apparently, that it last year, or I guess technically this year, won the Golden Ticket Award. Which lets you know that it's pretty good.
You think you're fit for a treasure seeker's adventure? Well then, keep your head on a swivel with one good eye on the treasure and the other on the lookout for danger. Not much to be sure, says I.
This is a pretty great animatronic that they have right here. Just some great theming immediately, as expected from Sally Dark Rides. I just like the way he just slowly moves and swaggers back and forth. It might not fully be seen on the camera, but he's got a lot of subtle movements that are just fantastic. See, he just moves there like he's just like us, just waiting in line. Have to move back and forth. What do we got down here? Ooh, sneaky, sneaky. Got some exotic stairs.
That's good. There's only the brains to the brain. How it takes to embark on treasure hunt. Welcome to Treasure Hunt the Ride. These caves are believed to be the hideout of the infamous pirate captain Hippolyte Bouchard, who led a large, stinky band of buccaneers to sack the town of Monterey and kidnap Molina, the town drunk. No one knows what became of Bouchard and his treasure-laden ships, but legend says he stashed his treasure deep inside a secret cave, hidden somewhere near the shore of Monterey Bay, and left guarded by a giant kraken. We need guests just like you who value adventure and fun more than safety to help us solve this mystery and maybe, just maybe, find Bouchard's lost treasure.
Wow. Thank you for that spiel, Mr. Deep Voice Narrator Man. Now that you're securely strapped in and your ride is ready to begin, you should probably know there are many dangerous elements you may encounter, such as rough terrain, cave creatures, and natural hazards like flooding, fire, and cave-ins. But don't worry, this adventure has a very high survival rate. The elevator will arrive in just a few moments to take you down into the caverns. Thank you again for riding Treasure Hunt, the ride through Cannery Row Caverns.
Second pre-show.
Cross the legs in the elevator at all times. If you need to hold on to something, you can hold on to the rail. Just don't lean against them or stick your arms over. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Let me get the mechanic. Hey, Connor? Yeah, Connor, darn elevator got stuck again. Can you get down here and fix it? Yeah, right. I'm getting tired of calling. Alright, get the mechanic stuck and he'll be right up on the roof. See? There he is right now.
Where did it come from? Where?
Come on, it's disgusting.
There be some mighty big spiders around here.
Hilarious.
My apologies, folks. A few good whacks is all she needs most of the time. Here we go.
Alright, Connor, wait! Connor, get on the elevator, what are you doing? Connor! Oh no! We're going down!
Ay, 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 mis amigos. That was a terrible fall. Muy malo. Pero I hope every one of you are okay. It is so wonderful to meet all of you people. It can be so lonely down here. Ay, pero ¿dónde están mis manos? Yo me llamo Molina. Este es mi amigo Don Pedro. He says hola and bienvenidos to our casa here in these cuevas. And I better know why you're here. You are looking for the lost treasure belonging to Capitán Hipólito Bouchard, ¿no? Es la verdad. I know treasure hunters when I see them. And I see you, and I can help you. So, is everybody listo for a grande adventure?
Yeah!
Me too, Don Pedro. Ándale, and get on board your cavern cars. I will see you in just a few moments around the corner. ¡Ay, vámonos, Don Pedro!
All the way in the cavern. Now it smells delicious. Apparently, someone got buried in the ground. The theming here is out of this world. This is like Disney level stuff. Made it to the loading station, and it is immaculately themed. It's like we're transported into a cavern. So if you do have the power-up tokens, you put it in these little boxes and it coordinates with which little gun you're shooting. Our chariot has arrived. Here we go. Oh, we got some fun theming going on over here. Is this so spooky? Alright, got a fun gun here. We have a terrible score right now, but hopefully we will be a Space Ranger Commander at some point. Wait, wrong ride. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
You guys are pretty good. Córrese. Now shoot the boxes. Better be careful. Look at that power.
There's effects! Oh no! Oh no!
Ay, Dios mío, mis amigos. This is a very dangerous part of the cavern. Better than
There's mucho treasure here for you. Give it us when the jungle finds us.
Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Whoa! Woo! Beep, beep. Ah, they released the Kraken! Ah! Oh, this is neat.
There is no escape for you. Skeleton crew, rise! Rise up and capture these intruders and cheer!
Ah! Captain! Oh! Ah! Sir!
Defend the treasure! Defend the treasure!
Oh, they're everywhere! They're in the sea legs! They're in the sea legs! Ah! Ah! Bang, 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 bang!
Nothing's working.
Nothing's working! Oh, there you go.
You want the hidden treasure of Captain Shark? You're just look at how much treasure you got!
Ah, look at all that treasure! Wow! Oh, you beat me! All right, woo!
What do you think, Captain?
Happy donkey! Happy donkey! And we live to fight another day, for we have conquered Treasure Hunt, the ride! Alright, through the very normal exit door, we leave. Oh, more stairs. Let's see what's going on.
Capitan, that was the best adventure we ever had. Those turistas are the craziest people. With all of the treasure fever. I hope they come back soon.
What a cute ending! And back to civilization. Haha! Okay, so that does it for a few fun rides on Treasure Hunt the Ride. Now, when it came to the ride itself, it was amazing. Honestly, it's like almost Disney level rides here. I mean, the theming, the overall everything around it was amazing. You had good animatronics, you had a really good shooting system where there was a combination of actual screens and physical effects. So you shot physical items. It was like a moving shooting gallery, which is something I've never seen before in a dark ride shooting type thing where there's both physical and screen, and so that was good. It was a fun ride. The system moves along in a much more fun way than I expected. There was a lot of just cool little effects on it that were very fun to experience. I mean, it was kind of like being on Pirates of the Caribbean if it was a shooting dark ride, which is not the worst thing. I mean, that's probably overselling it, but it was still really great. Like, worth it to go on multiple times for sure. A couple things I will say about it though. The operations at first were not great. We bought our tickets and then stood on the stairs to go down for almost 20 minutes. Don't know exactly why that happened. They didn't say anything, but I don't think it's supposed to happen. I think it's supposed to cycle about every 5 minutes that you go down. But we did stand there for our first round for about 20 minutes, and it did get a little frustrating waiting. But the second time we got on right away, so not sure what was going on that first time. For the ride itself, I will say, while I really liked it, there were some water effects and other cool things. I do feel like it was missing a little kind of background music at times. When you're going through some of the scenes and there's fun shooting happening, it feels a little quiet, like you're just sitting there shooting.
Try to open the iron box over there.
So like, I feel like the sound effects and maybe some kind of epic background music would really help it out. But otherwise, it was honestly a great ride. I would go on it multiple times if I had the chance. It is only about $25 if you don't do the upgrade to go on limited times. So I would actually definitely suggest doing that. It is really fun. It is really, for being a one-off ride in the middle of a wharf here in Cannery Row, is just, it's kind of a special experience. So yeah, Treasure Hunt the ride, absolutely worth taking the time to come to Monterey. It's only about 45 to 50 minutes from Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk, so you can knock both them out in one day. So I'd absolutely suggest doing a small trip just to do that. That's essentially what I'm doing now. And so yeah, hope you had a good time. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. I am still Clutch.
Skeleton crew, rise! Rise up and capture these intruders and